Minister Biswajit sees works at Sendra, Takmo Waterfront Resort and Kaibulamjao ahead of annual Sangai Festival. Former Chief Minister Ibobi questions absence of NPF at all-party meeting and demands clarification from a BJP-led government. Minister Shyam Kumar stresses need to promote organic fertilizers to prevent diseases among the people of Manipur. And Prime Minister Modi in his Mann Ki Baat asserts that India has conveyed the message of peace and harmony around the world. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit today saw the works taken up around Kaibulamjao ahead of Sangai Festival. The minister asserted that the roads leading to Sangai Festival will be in top condition even though the festival will last for only 10 days. Thongam Biswajit along with Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra and Thanga MLA Tongbram Robindro saw the construction work around Sendra, Takmu Waterfront Resort and Kaibulamjao. The minister instructed the officials to make the temporary market near the Sendra Resort to be more attractive. The minister also saw the work at Takmu Waterfront Resort, which will be one of the major attractions of the festival. Later, Biswajit saw the road construction around Kaibulamjao. Speaking to media persons, the Works Minister said that the construction of roads was delayed due to heavy rain and floods. He assured that despite the inconveniences, the government has made serious efforts to construct the roads before the festival. PWD Chief Engineer KH Temba and officials of Mahod accompanied the minister.
December poki manungda ikone achievement ama utkani aduga March poki manungda complete oina akoi Manipur gi oiba afaba mong da lambi sing thongani haiba je akoi ga chetpa wafam je hongba leite hojik November leiri December leiri tha anida adu mioi bana bu tauge khalaba adu mantra gi natraga mitrang gi oiba wafam gi natabida soina maki achievement ngongani aduga nong jina bu hangaga di akoi Sangai Festival gi mamang da akoi na piriba commitment jing je hojik mayam na full swing da chathaba ubirongani masi chap chana numit 10 ni kadang nungcha
Minister Biswajit told the JSC against shifting the opening ceremony of Sangai Festival 2017 from Kaibulamjao that the government has no plan to shift the venue of the inauguration of the festival. He said President Ramnath Kovind will not be able to attend the inauguration of the festival at Kaibulamjao due to security reasons. The minister also said there is no change in the plan and urged the people not to be upset with the news which appeared in some section of local dailies. He said the news was baseless. Biswajit said the Chief Minister along with his cabinet colleagues and MLAs will attend the inauguration of the festival at Kaibulamjao. He said President Ramnath Kovind will attend the festival on the first day at Hapta Kanjaibo.
I couldn't allow you decision to home late. Still, Kaibulamjao the Natraga Sendragi Mafung Karada, Aquina Taugani have the home late. Only thing, according to President Lakomatam, the inconvenient Ogadabado, President Katangla Ohabani, so Atay Lakadab, State Ki Oiba, VIP Jing, Chief Minister, Lakadab Poti, Loanabak Lakani, Jesina, Aquina, Aquida Tambirapa. To state level gi events ing mayam sing do set tawi wa habani madu honorable chief minister ga tanare ha kan afaba mong da aduga festival sine loidri bauk ta taw ba ha state government gi decision ama leikrabani madu sunghong hongba leite tamaru ina Kaibulamjao gi akoi bada tawgani ha government gi decision do hongba leite madu honge ha wafam je chama da chama lan wafam amani.
The GSC demanded holding of the festival which aimed at protecting the Sangai at Kaibulamjao for 5 days. They also demanded development of Kaibulamjao. The GSC, however, expressed their satisfaction at the meeting with the minister. The convener of the GSC maintained that the GSC will take its decision after meeting with the Chief Minister.
पांथोकदोरिबा फेस्टिवल असिदा अखोई कैबुल लमजाउदगी हौदोकपियु अदुगा लोइनना फंक्शन स्टेट की फंक्शन लोइना पांथोकपुचे नुमि मंगानिदगी तादना हाइबा मफमसिदा जगासिदा हौदोकपिबा हाइबसे अखोई पामजै हौजि हौजि हाइरिबा अखोई इकाई खुमनजरबा एमएलए गा लोइनना अखोई चंगसेलिबा खोंजंगचे चीफ मिनिस्टर गा उनजरबा मतुंगदा अखोई फाइनल लोइना जीएससी ना मदुगी रिपोर्ट अमा अखोई प्रेस मीडिया सिंगदा अखोई अरोइबो ओइना चीफ मिनिस्टर गा लोइनना श्री ऑनरेबल एमएलए गा लोइनना अखोई जीएससी गा पुन फमिनरगा अरोइबो वरेबदो अखोई लौजगनी।
Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi has questioned the absence of Naga's People Front (NPF) at all political party meeting held yesterday at the Chief Secretariat. Ibobi demanded clarification from BJP-led government. An all-party meeting was held in view of the framework agreement between the Government of India and NSCN-IM, which may affect the territorial integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan, former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi said the Prime Minister has already assured that the framework agreement will not affect the territorial integrity of the state. He said, however, the NDA government has not disclosed the details of the framework agreement.
NPM na thoklaiba wafam se masi sungsoi soidana khoi party na taba Manipur praja singna chu soidana masi sengtokpa BJP ki side tagi particularly then NPF tagi hire chu adu leiba government si tagi masi madi yamna clear cut oina yamna concrete oiba state na ma sengtok sa haningi special session na ma phamaga resolution na ma madudi resolution dudi house da khoi mayam khanaraga chumnagi state ki unity da natana administration se tongan ba singdan ama tamda ama administration si thamak pudi khoi di su ya yaroy singda du taurini haidna tauraga tongan ba separate administration ama taw territory di kahanda ba aduga separate administration ama thamaga di adudi Manipur kai ba chap manare taura oina su khalli madu torkani haibi nataba madu torkpa targa di akhoi madu yaba ngam sungam ngamo ngasi hayeng naidana Manipuri Honorable Chief Minister ne Assam ki Chief Minister ne Arunachal Pradesh ki Chief Minister ne satlaga consultative committee sembi bado madu chu phai state amagi Honorable Chief Minister Assam ki Chief Minister aduga Arunachal ki Chief Minister sina state tagi di aidi consultative committee do taurunu semunu haibe wana tabo madu chu sembi u ahum jina chalaga Honorable Prime Minister unage Home Minister unage haida ngasi hairaga hayeng adum unaba yabane.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thongnaujam Shyamkumar has stated that the Northeast Council and the Government of India will be approached after consultation with Chief Minister N. Biren for inclusion of vermicompost in next year's budget to promote organic farming in the state. Shyamkumar was speaking at the launch of website of Chingtam Organic Producer Company Limited, a company which produces vermicompost, organic fertilizers and inauguration of a vermicompost farm of Mangang Agrotech with the funding of Manipur Rural Bank. The minister said use of chemical fertilizers and food cultivation is the main cause of dangerous diseases among the people of the state. He maintained that the system adopted in horticultural and agricultural activities needs to be changed. Shyamkumar said the use of organic fertilizers will improve the agricultural yields and at the same time benefit the health of the people. The official web address of Chingtam Organic Producer Company Limited is www.chingtamorganic.com. Scientists, officials of Horticulture Department, Chairman of Manipur Rural Bank, employees of company and people of the area attended the event.
For the basic is we discuss scientists expert in the field of agriculture and horticulture. The concept knowledge but quality sama na koi lai re hai ka de sama na puchwe lai re hai ka de koi na bapa ni pro to sala ne to ro pi ne kai mo mani pi pada me am je si manga ga di koi go me singli na koi announce to follow ne post phara ne ba ade koi lai ba market ta yom da su port me am je ko da su maman ko he na koi yom me sina chemical fertilizers use to ne sina organic natural pon na chi hol pon ani ki test kan prajata display to la ka pur ka anda adu ko de department ko jam to ko hawlo ko koi director ko me khana jari
Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyamkumar took part in a tree plantation program at Yaripok to Hilal in Andhra constituency today. Shyamkumar appealed to people to take responsibility to conserve and protect the environment to save the human race and the world. The Cradle for Disabled Union, CRADU, Imphal East, organized the tree plantation. As a part of the event, a tricycle was handed over to a member of CRADU. Nagas People's Front NPF Manipur State in a press release stated that it has resolved not to accept removal of Awangbu Numai from the post of president of the party, and the party will continue to work under Numai, whose tenure as president is from 2015 to 2020 as per the official approval given in the General Convention of the party held on November 26, 2014. One-day awareness on diabetes and its prevention cum diabetes detection camp was held today at Nainashang Community Hall, Sagolban, Tera, Laukrakpam, Laikai. Smart Society and a branch of Salai Holding Private Limited organized the awareness program. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Smart City Narembam Dhanapati said the program was organized to raise awareness on the preventive measures of the disease and care to be followed by diabetic patients. She said Smart Society will continue to organize health awareness program to bring a healthy society. 4 doctors, 6 nurses and 4 pharmacists checked up the people at the camp.
One-day awareness camp. Diabetes and East prevention, high come detection camp in Imphal East in Manipur. When a syllabus camp asina when a diabetes, diabetes pukchat pa asidagi miyam yoeba, kitang yapaba, hydrogen thorang, natraga kitang mayam sigi weba, akogi kitang kogi mateng pangwang nongadra hydrogen smart society ki maikaidagi camp assassin jabane. Tongan apam de secret so kona tawjagi gyana khali.
Ayurvedic Doctors Association Manipur organized a one-day free Ayurvedic health camp today at Uripok Tarangbam Laikai in connection with World Ayurveda Day. At least 200 persons were provided free pain management, liver disorder and diabetic screening. 8 doctors, 4 nurses and 2 pharmacists checked up the people, and free medicines were also distributed to them at the camp. Northeast Building and Other Construction Workers Union under the aegis of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board MBC WWB distributed labour cards to the labourers of Kundrakpam constituency at Kundrakpam Lainingthau Pagalba Community Hall today. Chairman of MBC WWB S. Prasojit assured that steps will be taken to provide all the available benefits to the labour card holders on time. He also said the cards will be converted into smart cards and the website and the app will be launched for labourers to ensure transparency. Prasojit said data of the labourers will be collected by forming workers' union in all 60 constituencies. He said they have also approached the government to give works undertaken by the government in a constituency to selected labourers through the union.
Labor card se agangi like tambagi financial assistant P na khakta nate like the labor imung manungi mating pangnabagi suni sinmi sing thabok phangdragadi thabok phangannabagi damukta labor department se sinmi singi mating oinabagi damukta laiba department ne.
Former President of ICHM N. Rajendra said procrastination and the wasting of time is the main drawback in the society. He said the society can develop with hard work and proper use of time. He said the time of the former government, which worked only for the development of the valley, has expired, and the BJP-led government is working towards development of both hills and valley.
I Katang me Raga, I gi Pazamana, Soromayas, the Pak Targa, Kabur Targa, Sangi, Volkan, I Kamaito Mapanda, I maintain in Sapangani. I travel in Nagana, Kamai Sapangani. Marugi Poto Ngasidi, Mamang among the Parliament, government, Yodragasu, Nasiki Live, Langaxina, the Yondabi, the Avigi, Program doing a sea when the Lotok is. I Katang me Raga, I gi.
It's time for a small commercial break. Coming up after the break is what the Prime Minister said in 37th edition of Man Ki Baat today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said everyone must live in peace and harmony and move ahead to carve a better and a peaceful tomorrow, as India has always been giving a message of peace, unity and harmony to the world. In his 37th edition of Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio today, Modi said, Jawans of Indian security forces play an important role not only on Indian borders, but they play a very vital role in establishing peace the world over. He said, and UN peacekeepers, Indian soldiers are bringing glory to the nation in the Committee of Nations. The Prime Minister also said, paid homage to Guru Nanak Dev, saying that he is not only the first Guru of Sikh but Guru to the entire world. Paying tribute to Sardar Patel, whose birth anniversary will be celebrated on Tuesday, Modi said, translating a thought into reality was Sardar Patel's fort, and he took on the reins of weaving a unified India. Modi urged people to participate in Run for Unity, the festival of mutual harmony. The Prime Minister also remembered former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has slammed Congress leader P. Chidambaram for his remarks on autonomy for Jammu and Kashmir. He said, position of Congress with regard to Azadi or a greater autonomy for Jammu and Kashmir goes directly contrary to India's national interest. Jaitley said the Kashmir problem is the Congress legacy, and instead of learning from its past mistakes, it wants to precipitate a crisis for this country. The finance minister also said the Congress needs to clarify whether it's a party stand. He said 10 years of the UPA government was a wasted opportunity on Jammu and Kashmir and not a single initiative work. He said the present government have succeeded in squeezing the funds for the terrorist and mass protest of stone throwers are by and large over. He said terrorists are on the run and the security forces have an upper hand. Information and Broadcasting Minister Smriti Irani said it is quite shocking and disgusting that Chidambaram is speaking about breaking the Union of India into pieces and supports those who actually murdered the security forces just so that they can play havoc with law and order situation in the state. Meanwhile, Congress sought to distance itself from the remarks of Chidambaram on Jammu and Kashmir. The Congress said the opinion of individual is not necessarily the opinion of the party. Congress Chief Spokesperson Randeep Singh Jurjewala said Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India and will always remain so unquestionably. District Handloom and Textile Imphal West today organized a training cum awareness program for the promotion of banana fiber at Singjamai Chingamakha, Irom Lerak. The program was organized by Singjamai Kendra Majdoor Sangha and Weaver Sale BJP Manipur. Project Manager of District Handloom and Textile Office Imphal West, T.H. Sunila said the training cum awareness program was held to raise awareness among the people about the use of banana fiber in making clothes and other ornamental products in 10 districts of the state. The training has already been held in Kangpokpi, Chandel, Tamilong, Ukhrul and Bhamolaikai in Imphal East. Clothes made of banana fiber were also displayed at the event.
pressure matam gi matungina sum ai chen ba kota ba tan gi matungina sarkar da su pressure to we aba tawraga office ki side ki su adigi payam ko lebiri ba lang olaga fi sarga da mena weaver hai batare weaver mayam su adigi handicraft product su mongol de photo thi yamna lai lapu sina koi horen master trainer su victory su heavy rakhiba yai akoi lapu ki pambis dagi lapu ki akoi laru si la on lapu raga ma ge le hori ma marjai si masidagi akoi ki thumo kumba adagi akoi ki decoration ki product kumba sabya ba loina lai.
One-day training program on mobilizing bioresources for generate income was held at Library Information Center, Kokching today. The training program was organized by Food Producer Cooperative Limited, Kokching, with the help of Manipur Small Farmers Agro-Business Consortium, Imphal. A legal aid clinic was opened yesterday at Khomlangkhong in Imphal West District. Speaking at the event organized by District Legal Service Authority Imphal West and United Chongthas District and Session Judge Imphal West, M. Manoj Kumar, said the main objective of the clinic is to help get justice to the poor section of the society. The clinic will benefit the people of Khomlangkhong and its neighboring villages like Phobok Chau, Konuma and Sekmaijing Kuno. It will provide legal aid to women and children, people having annual income less than rupees 1 lakh, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, mentally disabled persons, physically handicapped persons, victims of fire, natural calamities, communal violence and workers of industries. Rotary Club of Imphal and 6 Assam Rifles jointly organized a health camp at Waka in Imphal East District today. About 350 persons, including women and children of the area, were checked up at the camp. 30 doctors of RIMS, Jenims, Sijo Hospitals and Babina Diagnostic along with paramedic staff checked up the people at the camp. The health camp was one of the health camps organized by Rotary Club of Imphal for the people living in interior areas every year.
अखोगी आउटस्कर्ट्स एरिया दा लेरिबा खुंगंगी मीजिंग जिना अखोई जो अप्रोच तौजरकपा मेडिकल अखोगी वेदर चेंज तौबा मयाम टाइमिंग जिदा जिदा अखोई अनाबा जे हेंकलकुनिना खितंग प्रोवाइड तौबिबे यागिद्रा सुमाइना केम जे सिनबिबे यागद्रा हंगजरकपदि अखोइना सुमाइना क्लब का पुल्लगा अखोई प्रोग्राम से पांगथोकजबनी.
Maring community celebrated their harvest festival Kumuicha today at Lamlong Khulen in Merchi Block, Technopal district. The festival, held on the theme "Culture is the identity and backbone of a tribe," began with Lamkalai, cleaning of the roads between the fields and the village. Later, the festival was celebrated with the participation of the villagers. Prayers were offered to God for the prosperity of the village. Cultural dances and songs highlighted the celebrations. Chairman of Lamlong Khulen Village Authority said Kumuicha is an old-age festival.
Lamlong Khulen gi village asinasu hujikti sahi khudingi pangthokpa ngamdragasu matam amada ipu ipagi nat oina sahi khudingi pangthoktuna lakpasi history dasu ona hanadi video karigumba leiramdabnina kumsi masigi culture si manghanba yaroi haibagi damakta pangthoklaga festival si pangthoksa.
Samata Sahitya Academy Manipur in a press release congratulated Il Virgit India Sri Lanka Friendship Awardee on being appointed as the president of Samata Sahitya Academy India Northeast Zone. In the press release, the Academy hoped that the organization will become stronger in the Northeast region under him. Prizes were distributed to winners of the first district-level mathematics competition at the indoor stadium of Thoubal Tennis Association, Thoubal District. The competition was organized by Youth Skill Development Society, Thoubal Athokpam on October 2nd. Film Forum Manipur condoled the sudden demise of Liang Mai film director, filmmaker D. Abonmei on October 28. Members of Film Forum Manipur recalled the contribution of the deceased to Manipuri film industry and Manipuri culture at the condolence meeting held at the office of Film Forum this morning. Now the sports news. KNMM Riding School, A. Singjamai and Nambul Mapal Polo Club beat their opponents at 33rd and Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Level Polo Tournament today. In the first match play at Imphal Polo Ground, KNMM Riding School, A. Singjamai beat Kurai Polo Club B by 7-5. In the second match play, Nambul Mapal Polo Club and beat Thangmaibant Youth Polo Club by 7-4. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Minister Biswajit sees works at Sendra Takmu Waterfront Resort and Kaibulamjao ahead of annual Sangai Festival. Former Chief Minister Ibobi questions absence of NPF at Old Party meeting and demands clarification from a BJP-led government. Minister Shyam Kumar stresses need to promote organic fertilizers to prevent diseases among the people of Manipur. And Prime Minister Modi in his Mann Ki Baat asserts that India has conveyed the message of peace and harmony around the world.